This is Evan with SelectTV. SelectTV is a new channel section. The improved channel guide easily lets you browse by categories like news, sports, movies, or music. Below the featured channels, categories are clearly marked with dividers at the top of each section. You can now view additional premium channel bundles directly from your channel guide. Simply click Add Channels, pick your favorite, and confirm your selection. You'll now see those premium channels right next to your other existing options. SelectTV now has its own premium channel bundle, ValueTV. ValueTV has over 19 live cable channels, like MGM HD, Access TV, Weather Nation, UpTV, and more. You can even record your favorite ValueTV channels with the included DVR and view them on your own schedule. Just click Record and access them anytime in your personal DVR. Happy streaming!